In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between Grid View and List View in Google Drive on a computer. When you're working in Drive, choosing the right view can make browsing your files much faster. Grid View shows big visual thumbnails, which is great for images, videos, and design files. List View organizes everything in a compact table, showing details like file name, owner, and when it was last modified, which is helpful for sorting and comparing documents at a glance. To get started, open a web browser on your computer and go to https://drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, sign into your Google account so you can access your files. Once you're in, open My Drive or click into the specific folder you want to view. The view you choose applies to what you're looking at right now, so pick the location where you want to make the change. Now, look toward the top right corner of the file list area. You'll see the View button, which lets you switch between the two layouts. The icon itself is a hint about what will happen when you click it. If it looks like a small grid made of squares, that indicates the Grid View option, which will show your files and folders as large thumbnails. If the icon looks like stacked horizontal lines, that's the List View option, which displays your files in a tidy, compact list with columns for name, owner, and last modified. Go ahead and click the icon to change the view. The switch is instant, and the icon will update to the opposite style, letting you toggle back whenever you want. This doesn't move or rename anything. It simply changes how your items are displayed on the screen. If you don't see a change, make sure you're looking at the main file list and not inside a preview or a search filter. A quick tip for choosing: use Grid View when visuals matter and you want to recognize files by their preview, and use List View when you need to scan details, sort, or manage multiple items efficiently. You can switch as often as you like, so pick the layout that best fits the task you're doing. That's how you switch between Grid View and List View in Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for